The Nails and the Fence story. Once upon a time, there lived a boy. He was the only child of his parents. But he had a bad temper. He would easily get angry and taunt the people around him with words. His parents were unhappy with his bad temper. They warned him to control his anger many times, but they failed. He never listened to them. One day, the father had an idea. He gave his son a hammer, a bag of nails and a piece of fence. Then he said, "When you get angry, hammer a nail on this fence." This was an enjoyable task for the boy, so he accepted. He hammered a nail on the fence whenever he lost his temper. After several days, the number of nails that he hammered began decreasing. After a while, he learned to control his anger and stopped hammering nails on the fence. Then the father told him to pull a nail on the fence whenever he would control his anger. After a while, the boy pulled most of the nails. There were a few nails left. His father told him, "What do you see on the fence?" "Some holes and some nails," replied the boy. The father, "The fence here represents a person. The nails represent the words that you used when you lost your temper. Even if you pull the nail, the hole will remain there, and the fence will not be same again. Even if say sorry, the angry words that you said will leave a mark there. So, use your words carefully, don't hurt people with them." Moral: we should use our words carefully. It can hurt people more than a physical wound.